Welcome to this tutorial on converting X to Z today. We are going to explore the concept of standardization and understand how we transform any normal distribution into the standard normal distribution using the Z-score formula. Let's start with a quick recap. A normal distribution, or bell curve, is defined by two key parameters: the mean, which is the center or average of the data, and the standard deviation, which represents the spread. Every dataset has a unique curve based on these numbers. Here is the challenge. Imagine you score 85 on a biology test and 60 on a history test. Which score is better? It's hard to compare them directly because the tests might have different averages and difficulty levels. We are comparing apples to oranges. The solution is standardization. This process transforms different distributions onto a single, common scale. By converting raw scores into z-scores, we can make fair comparisons regardless of the original units or difficulty. This is the z-score formula. Z equals x minus mu divided by sigma. Here, x is your raw score, mu is the population mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. Let's break down what this math is actually doing to the data. The numerator, x minus mu, handles centering. When we subtract the mean from every data point, the entire distribution shifts sideways. The new mean becomes 0. This aligns the center of our data with the center of the standard graph. The denominator involves dividing by sigma, the standard deviation. This handles scaling. If the data is very spread out, dividing by the standard deviation squeezes it in. If it is narrow, it stretches it out. The result is a standardized width of 1. After shifting and scaling, we get the standard normal distribution. We denote this as z follows n01. It always has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. This is the universal curve used in statistics tables. Let's calculate a z-score. Suppose your score is 85, the class average is 70, and the standard deviation is 10. We plug these into the formula. 85 minus 70 is 15. Then, 15 divided by 10 gives us a z-score of 1.5. What does that 1.5 mean? It means your score is 1.5 standard deviations above the average. A positive z-score is above the mean, and a negative z-score is below the mean. 0 is exactly average. To summarize, standardization converts raw scores to z-scores using the mean and standard deviation. It centers the data at 0 and scales the spread to 1, allowing us to compare values from completely different datasets.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.